Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm sharing you my September journaling kit from Hazydaysuk. I thought I'd share with you my haul. By the way, this is a PR. I'm one of the PR girls from Hazydaysuk, and she makes this journaling kit. So I've showed you the last one, which is butterfly themed, but I thought I'd share with you to this month's because it's very cute and beautiful. Well, it's beautiful, not just cute. So I've ordered a few stickers, planner stickers. Look at the beautiful stickers. I tend to use them for planning and journaling. So this is the Celestial kit, and let me just check that is everything in there. Yep. So there's, how beautiful is that? How is that? Oh, I've also ordered apparently the Victorian Witch deco, Victorian Witch set, or the kit. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh, this is gonna go into my October layout, like pages. Look at how beautiful this kit is. See, I'm not a very gothy type person, but I'm liking this. Look at that. So that's the two kits. Oh, that is gorgeous. So these are these are her new releases. So if you want to purchase this, I will put my PR code on the description box, so that if you want to have a 15% discount off your purchase, £10 purchase or more, then yes, by all means, and use that code. And this is the Nutcracker. So I'm just getting ready for Christmas. How beautiful is that? Oh. My goodness. How pretty is that? So I've also bought the savings tracker. This is cute. And the kawaii weather stickers, and some painted swirls. So those are cute. Wow, that is cute. Lovely. So those are the kits that I've ordered. Now let's go back to the order. Get back to business. So this is the September journaling kit, as I said, and this is again fall themed. So you will get 2 sheets of double-sided card, 2 sheets of vellum, a sheet of acetate, 3 Polaroid style frames, 3 small tabs, 1 small sheet of letter stickers, 2 sheets of decorative stickers, 1 sheet of washi strips, pack of envelope seals, and 3 holographic laminated picture cards. So these are the holographic cards. Oh, that is cute. She's cute. He's cute. Brilliant. You can put this in your journals. You can put this in your planners. You can use this as like a bookmark. Actually, it's really beautiful. And these are the these are the these are the decorative stickers. 2 sheets of decorative stickers. Beautiful. I'm just gonna do that. And then this probably will be the Polaroid colored frames. Nice. Oh, they're gorgeous. Oh, I love my oh, what's this? This probably will be the, oh, I can't open it. I don't want to tear it all up. Oh my days. Oh, there it is. Oh wow, these are die cuts. So you've got sunflower, hello autumn, reading books, you've got that beanie hat. Oh, pumpkin spice latte, I'm guessing that is leaves. It's having coffee, pumpkin spice candles, and pumpkins. Oh, okay, I'm gonna put that there later on. So this now is, let's just put that there, are the tabs. So you get 3 tabs. Beautiful. And now we have the stickers. Okay, so you have the 2 sheets of decorative stickers, beautiful, and a pack or 1 sheet of washi stickers and 1 sheet of letter stickers. Oh my goodness, that's cute. So now you have your papers. So those are your vellum. Oh no, those are your, these are the acetate. There's 1 sheet of acetate. That would be gorgeous for like laminating or something. Oh my goodness. And then those are your vellums. Got that too. And then 2 sheets of double-sided card. Oh wow, that's cute. Oh, that's gorgeous. Right, so that's it, guys. This is the September journaling kit from Hazydaysuk UK. Sorry, I'm talking whilst I'm putting this back, aren't I? I hope you like what I've shared, and I hope you do check out Hazydaysuk UK's website or the shop. I'll leave the shop details on the description box so you can check them out, and don't forget that I'll also leave my PR code so that you can get discount on your purchases. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for bearing with me for sharing another video, whole video, and I will make some more other things like process videos. I might use this for like a October daily type thing, but we shall see. So have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching again. Bye.